DoorDash refunds are handled automatically in some cases, like missing items or wrong orders. But most users only get their money back after submitting a claim inside the app. By the end of this, you'll know exactly where to request a refund, what DoorDash actually approves, and how to avoid getting your request denied. Start inside the DoorDash app. Open your order history and tap the order that has the issue. You'll see an option called Help or Order Issues. That's the only place DoorDash accepts refund requests for completed deliveries. Tap the issue that matches your problem. Common options include missing items, incorrect order, or poor food quality. Each option leads to a short form where you describe what went wrong. Keep it simple and factual because DoorDash reviews these against restaurant and driver records. If something was missing, list exactly what you didn't receive. If the order was wrong, specify what you got versus what you ordered. The system checks your claim against the restaurant's order ticket, so vague complaints are less likely to be approved. After you submit, DoorDash usually responds through the app rather than email. Some refunds are processed quickly, while others go through manual review if the system needs more verification. You don't need to repeatedly submit the same claim because duplicate requests can slow it down. If your refund is denied, it usually means DoorDash believes the order was completed correctly or there isn't enough evidence of an issue. In that case, you can still recheck your order details and submit additional clarification once. But repeated disputes on the same order are often ignored. There's also a time limit factor. Refund requests must be tied to recent orders. If too much time has passed, the system may block the option entirely inside the app. If the issue involves a serious problem like food safety or repeated missing items, use the in-app support chat instead of the basic refund form. That connects you directly to a support agent who can escalate the case. The main things to remember are simple. Refunds only work through the order help section. Clear, specific details matter more than long explanations. And support chat is the backup option when the automated system doesn't approve your request. Next time something is wrong with your DoorDash order, go straight to the order, open Help, and submit the issue immediately instead of waiting. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more simple fixes for delivery and app problems.